Today we will learn how to solve problems about pressure.
First of all, remember the pressure is the force applied over a surface. The formula of pressure is P equals F over A. All of these letters are capital letters, where P is pressure, F is force, and A is area. Also, we need to record that the SI units of pressure are Pascal. A Pascal is equal to 1 Newton over a square meter. Okay, let's practice. This is the first example. A football player is tackled by another player and lands with the combined weight of both players on his knee. If the combined weight of the players is 2,400 newtons and the player's knee measures 0.01 square meters, how much pressure is applied on the grass when the player lands on his knee? We have force equals 2,400 newtons and area equals 0.01 square meters, and we need to find pressure. The formula for pressure is force over area. Substitution. Pressure equals 2,400 newtons over 0.0 square meters. We will obtain pressure equals 240,000 newtons over square meters. And we know that 1 Pascal equals 1 Newton over a square meter. Because of this, the value of pressure is 240,000 pascals. Okay? Okay, let's continue. Example number 2. A base of a box is 0.29 meters by 0.25 meters and its weight is 12 kilograms. What is the pressure applied on the floor by the box? In this example, we need to look for force, area, and pressure. Remember that the weight is a type of force. Weight equals mass per gravity. Weight equals 12 kilograms times 981 meters over a square second. And we will obtain 117.72 newtons of weight. This is the value of force because weight is a type of force. Now, in this case, we will use the next formula for area. Area equals base times height. Area equals 0.29 meters times 0.25 meters. Area equals 0.0725 square meters. So with this data we can obtain pressure. Pressure equals question mark. Pressure equals force over area. Then pressure equals 117.72 newtons over 0.0725 square meters. And finally, the pressure equals 1,623.72 pascals. And we are done. It's not difficult, right? Well done.